What's going down, y'all? So today wasn't very eventful. You know, from the loss yesterday, I took a big hit, but today I pretty much have 2 trades left, right? So today I only took 2 trades and I ended up breaking even. Funny because my last trade actually would have cleared 60 ticks and I would have made $1,500 because I went in with 2 contracts. That was actually an accident as well because I was switching from my sim account, to my regular account and I had 2 contracts on there. I didn't switch it. Yeah, pretty much broke even. I still got two shots left, or else I lose the account, but I'm feeling pretty good. Today was pretty choppy in the beginning, and then I saw an opportunity later on. Yeah, got my money back and I lived to trade another day. But yeah, let's get into the breakdown real quick of the 2 trades. And yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. So the first trade, this was the L I took. Pretty much market opened up. It was consolidating and it broke. And I hopped in. I saw it retest right here. Saw the retest come in. And yeah, didn't think twice. Hopped in it, right? Break and retest. Nice and easy. Trade went against me real quick. So hopped in, cleared some ticks. I was like, cool. We headed down to this zone that I drew, pre-market, this demand zone, and price went up, knocked me out. What I didn't realize what was going on, that, I know it's in a downtrend, but again, I thought it was, it did its pullback and it made a new low, right? I didn't think the pullback was going to be this high. And then it came down, didn't make a new low, came back up. Right, so like the market was just kind of choppy in the beginning. So after that, I kind of just waited it out. I just kept seeing this move, and then I was like, look, I'm not gonna get faked out again. I just stayed patient because I was like, at this point, since it's just kind of chopping around, I mean, it is going down, don't get me wrong, but the pullbacks are crazy, right? They're not like normal pullbacks. They're not like these, right, where it just comes up, pulls back, comes down, right? Pulls back, comes down, pulls back. You know what I mean? It's like crazy pullbacks, almost ranging a bit from like up here to here, right? It's just like a huge little range. I mean, it's still going down, but I had 1 trade left, so I wasn't gonna risk it. And I was like, I'm gonna wait for price to get down to the demand zone. Those are kind of my A+ setups, right? Coming from strong areas of support and resistance or supply and demand. I set my notifications. I set some up here, set one down here. Now, I started noticing price was consolidating like crazy right here. It just had problems breaking it. I was checking the NQ. The NQ was doing the same thing, just a crazy little consolidation right here. So yeah, I saw that it broke and it broke this low, came back, retested, and I hopped in the trade. Now, this is when I hopped in with 2 contracts because I went into some drawdown. So this is my original 20 tick stop loss, right? As soon as I hopped in, started going down, and then I went into drawdown. Again, I only have $250 left, before I hit max drawdown on the account, and it got up to like 1 something, and I was like, what's going on? Like, this is supposed to be a perfect $250. Realized that I was in with 2 contracts. Price came back down and I was like, cool. I was at 250 and I was like, look, let me break even so I can reset and come back to the market tomorrow. Price went to my zone. Look at that. Perfectly. 60 ticks right here. So if I would have held this would have been $1,500. That would have been a nice bounce back, from losing 1,000. I pretty much, if I would have won this, I would have been back to where I was, pretty much $1,000 away, I think. Yeah, but I'm not mad because, I played it safe. Wasn't really trying to, gamble it because the market, like I said, today was just, it was moving so crazy. So got my 10 ticks and I was out. Watch price come down here. I set my alert to see if price was going to react, but it didn't. They just kept dropping price. Blew right through that zone. The plan for tomorrow is I really want to see it start reacting and coming back to zones. There's a lot of gaps it needs to fill. Now it's possibly looking to fill this gap over here. There's a gap down here. Okay. So it's possible it's trying to come down to that gap, right? It started clearing these lows. It's where it's sitting at right now. So it could just bounce from here, but yeah, I want to see what's going to happen, right? I want to see, tomorrow how it reacts, whether it wants to pull back up. It didn't even retest the previous day low. It just went right past it. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be interesting. Again, I have 2 trades, got two bullets, and I'm gonna probably take my shot tomorrow and just wait for really good setups. That's the best I could do. If not, then I hit the reset button and you get a video from me talking about I blew the account. But we ain't gonna let that happen. I'm gonna be strategic. We're gonna do it smart, and yeah, we're gonna come up. All right, see you in the green.